2, 3.
Hey y'all, I'm gonna unbox this pen for love. I want G, E, A, or N. So or I. Let's go. QR code store 3. Let's go.
Ahora cuando yo...
Now let's open this. Let's see what I got. Oh, so cute. I got F. I got F. This is her. The color is very beautiful. Bye, y'all.